In this video, we will going to take up the advanced Python programming. In that, first we are going to take up how to demonstrate the following functions or method which operates on strings in Python with suitable examples. Now, for example, now if you are considering the first one, the length function. So what exactly it does? So it returns the length of the string, and also it counts every character written in the double quotes, even white spaces also. If you want to explain this, let us take an example. Here, A is the variable name and save earth is a string. We have SAVE space EARTH space. I want to know what is the length of this string. So that means how many characters are there in this string. So he says it is including the white spaces. If you want to see that, the output will going to be 10. How? If you are considering this, save earth. SAVE, you have on space EARTH. So the index starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So including 0, it becomes 9. So the total number of spaces which is considered for this length of the string will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total output will going to be 10. So this is how you will be able to find the length of the string. Similarly, suppose if I want to consider the one more example, if I say str is the name of the variable, and then we say the introduction to Python programming is a string. So what is the length of this string? If you click on this run, so it will give you the output will going to be the 34 characters. How many characters of space is there? 1, 2, 3. So the total number of characters here, excluding spaces, will going to be 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. So the total number of characters are 31 plus 3 spaces will going to give the output as 34. So then we will go for the next function, which is the strip function. What basically strip does? It removes. What it will going to remove? It removes the extra characters or white spaces from each string. It allows to remove the characters from both left and right hand side of the string. So this is very, very important. So that means it's only at the beginning of the string or at the end of the string it will go into strip, but in between that it will won't strip. So that is the meaning of this. So for example, if you are considering str1 with some exclamatory marks, hello, some exclamatory marks, then I will say str1 dot strip. So what it is giving, it is asking for the string which you want to strip, that is the str1. So what is this str1? The str1 is the variable name which is str1 here. So it will take this entire string dot strip. What you want to strip? I want to strip the exclamatory character. So that is the one which I am giving here. So what it does, the output will going to be just it becomes hello because it will removes from both left and right hand side of the string. So the output will going to be hello. If you are considering this as an example, I have not taken to the entire thing. I have taken hello and then exclamatory mark on this side and also on this side. It will remove the exclamatory marks on both on the left and right hand side. So finally the output will going to be hello. This is the output what I am getting here. Similarly, if you are considering str1 with characters like the exclamatory marks what we have done. Similarly, we are considering some A's hello and some A's hellos on the left hand side and the right hand side. If you want to strip this character A both on the left hand side and the right hand side, so str1 is the variable name of the string dot strip. What I want to strip? I want to strip the character A. So then it will going to strip both on the left and right hand. The output will going to be just a hello. Now similarly, if you have str1, you have some characters of A hello, some characters of A hello, and some characters at A at the left and right hand side and also in the middle. Since you want to strip only A, so what it does it will going to strip only on the left hand side and the right hand side. In the middle portion of A will be retained as it is. If you see the output, you will be able to know that hello, some characters of A hello will going to be retained. So this is the basic difference in the strip function. Basically the strip, it will going to remove the characters either on the left hand side or on the right hand side if it is available. Now, so this is what exactly what it does hello. In this, you will going to consider this left hand side and this right hand side is removed, and all other things will going to be remain the same. That's what we have shown here with the output. Now we will going to take the one more function, which is lstrip. What it does is it removes the characters only from the left side of the string. Lstrip. L is nothing but the left, and stripping means removing only on the left hand side. For example, if you are considering str1, some exclamatory marks on the left hand side and hello, and some exclamatory mark on the right hand side. If you consider str1, this str1 is the variable name dot lstrip. I want to strip only the exclamatory marks with the character which you want to remove. So since you are applying lstrip, it will going to remove only on the left hand side, keeping hello and the exclamatory mark on the right hand side. That is what you are going to get the output here. Similarly, if you can see here, this is on the left hand side you have exclamatory mark, and then you have hello, and then to the right hand side of hello will also have the exclamatory mark. But since it is lstrip, it will remove only on the left hand side and keeping it on the right hand side. Similarly, if you are considering rstrip, remove the characters only from the right side of the string. And like, for example, consider the same example again, str1, with both having the exclamatory mark on the left and right hand side of hello, then str1 dot rstrip. So here what it does, it will strip only on the right hand side, keeping the exclamatory mark on the left hand side. That's what we can see here. Exclamatory mark is only on the left hand side, and the right hand side the exclamatory mark has been stripped or removed. So this is how the example will going to take. So in the left hand side it will going to keep, and in the right hand side it is removed. So I want to find what? A character, how many times it is repeating, or whether it is available or not. Find str beginning and end. So if you have find here A, welcome to Python programming. A is the variable name. Welcome to Python programming is the string what you want. I want to find whether O is available in the string. So here the syntax is str, name of the character what I am trying to find. 0 is the beginning of the character, that is the index number. N, I don't know what exactly the length of the string. So since I don't know the length of the string, I am using the length of A. The advantage of using the length of A is, suppose if the string is increased or decreased, accordingly the length will going to increase or decrease. So that is the advantage of using the length function here. So what will going to be the output? The output will going to be 4. So that means it will going to take they find how many number of times this O will going to be considered. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth index, this O is finding. So the remaining things of O will going to be removed. So it won't consider all those things again. So that is why it is called 4. Similarly, we want to find the rfind string beginning and end. So what it does, it will going to consider the last occurrence of a character in a string. So in the find, it will going to consider from the left hand side to the right hand side the first time where exactly it will going to find that index number will going to be highlighted. But in this case, it will give the last occurrence of the string. So for example, if you are considering C is equal to hello and C dot rfind. So what is the string? String is L, what I want to find. Beginning and end. Beginning, I am starting from 0. The length of C, so how many number of characters in C? You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters. So that is actually the 5. The length of the character C will going to be 5. So where exactly the L is there? The L is there on the right occurrence, the last occurrence. So if you are considering this 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh, so that means it will going to be the third character or the third index number where you will be able to find the last occurrence, because 0, 1, 2 where L is there on second index number and also in the third index number. So here L is the last one which we are able to find at the third index number. So that is the reason why it is giving the string as 3. So now we will consider how exactly it will going to be considered here when you are writing the program. So first is we are going to find what is the length of the function. So when you want to run this, A equals save arith print length of A. So what will going to be the output we are going to see now? The length of this will going to be 10. Why? Because I have already explained how that will going to consider. Similarly, if you are considering str equals introduction to Python programming, so print length of str, how many number of characters you are going to get? The number of characters in this, including the spaces, will going to be 34. Now you are coming to the strip function. When you are considering the strip, here str1 equals double exclamatory mark on the left hand side and also hello and also in the right hand side. So str1 dot strip, and what I want to strip? I want to strip exclamatory mark which is a character, and if you run this program, then what happens? It will go and strip the exclamatory mark on the left hand side and also on the right hand side and gives only hello. Similarly, if you just type the str1, but what happens? Here you will not be able to, here it will not going to edit or it will not going to change the original length of the string. So the str1, if you just type this and run this program, again you are going to see hello will be there, the exclamatory mark is there on both on the left hand side and in the right hand side. This hello is only updated, but it will not going to update the original string variable. If you want to update the original string variable, then you need to consider this as the one more variable, and then in that variable it will going to be updated, and the updated value will going to be stored in the new variable, not in the original variable. That is the reason why I am showing this. Similarly, if you are considering str1 equals character A, hello is there, and A is on the both on the left hand side and the right hand side. If you want to strip, then it will going to strip A both on the left hand and the right hand side of the hello, and you will going to get just hello here. Similarly, if you are considering str1 is equal to some is hello on the left hand side and some is on the right hand side. After A you have hello, and again after hello you will have A on the right hand side. Since you are using str1 dot strip A character, then it will going to remove only on the left hand side and the right hand side. In between hello on the left hand, both left hand side and the right hand side you have A. So similarly we will going to go for lstrip. If you are considering str1 equals the exclamatory mark hello on the left hand side and the right hand side, since you want to lstrip, so that means it will going to strip only on the left end of the str1, that is hello. So here you can see that str1.lstrip, I want to strip only exclamatory mark, so the output will going to be here hello will be exclamatory mark will going to be stripped only on the left hand side, but on the right hand side it is retained as it is. Then we will come to rstrip, wherein if you are considering rstrip, suppose if you are considering rstrip hello then exclamatory mark, if you are run this, so here we can see that rstrip, that strip will going to be stripping will going to consider only on the right hand side but not on the left hand side. So here rstrip, here str1 having exclamatory mark on both on the left hand and to the right hand of hello, and str1.rstrip, and I want to strip the exclamatory mark only on the right hand side, therefore it will going to remove only on the right hand side, retaining the exclamatory mark on the left hand side. You can see that output here. And then I want to find string which starting from beginning till to the end. Suppose if you have welcome to Python programming, a.find O0 to length of A. So what is the length of the A? The length, the total number of characters which the variable A has, it will going to be welcome to Python programming, including that length of A. If you see introduction to Python programming, and here the length of A will going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 29 spaces or 29 characters will going to be considered for the length of A. Suppose if you reduce it, suppose if I say just we have welcome, then what happens? A will going to become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will going to reduce from 29 to 7. So this is how, that is the advantages of using the length of A. So here O, that is the string or the character which will going to be find. Where exactly you can find? When you are starting from the left hand side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th index where you can find O. So that is the reason why you are getting as 4. Suppose if you are considering it as yum, say for example, if I say yum, if I run, so here what happens? It will going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yum is starting at the 5th character, so that is the reason why we have 5th index position. Suppose if you are considering W, so then where exactly it will start? It will start from 0, that is the index number, what it is trying to specify. So if you say E, then you will going to have 1. But it is not 2, it is 1 because it gives the index number always. Then if you find the rfind is actually where it exactly finds the character at the last index number, in the sense that if you say hello, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. L is there at the last index because you have 2 L's here. 1 L is starting from 0, 1, 2 and then the last L will be there at the 3rd index number. Therefore, you will going to find 3 at the last index number. Now, this way, this is how you will be able to explain, and you will be able to write a simple to demonstrate how the string variables or the string functions will going to work in Python programming. Thank you.